bleached my skin because I thought it would fix everything. The acne, the dark spots, the judgment. Instead, it damaged my barrier, my confidence, and honestly, my soul. And I didn't just hate my skin, I hated how I felt in it. You ever felt like your face wasn't good enough to be seen, or like you had to shrink just to feel accepted? This is for you. If you have ever tried to change your skin just to feel worthy, this video is for you. Today I am sharing exactly how I have been healing my skin, my mindset, and my routines from the inside out. I started blushing because I felt like I had no other choice. I was breaking out badly, my face was covered in hyperpigmentation, and people around me wouldn't stop asking, what happened to your skin? At first, I thought maybe I could just even out my tone, but it quickly became an obsession. I was trying creams, peels, and every trending product I could find. And in my culture, lighter skin is still seen as cleaner, prettier, more desirable. So I didn't just want clear skin, I wanted different skin, and I hated myself for it. There were days I couldn't even look in the mirror. I would turn off the bathroom light just to avoid seeing myself. I realized I wasn't healing my skin, I was trying to erase it. Even though I have stopped blushing, but I still carry those feelings. But one day I said enough. If my skin was going to heal, I had to stop fighting it and start listening to it. And that's when the real healing began. One of the first things I changed was my mindset. I thought I needed 7-step harsh actives, overnight fixes, and that approach kept making things worse. Now I focus on simplicity. A gentle cleanser, a hydrating serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, that's it. My skin didn't need more products, it needed pace. Before, I was obsessed with exfoliating, scrubs, acid, peels, you name it, I was overdoing it. Now I focus on rebuilding my skin barrier. Products with ceramides, peptides, humectant changed the game for me. Barrier repair isn't trendy, but it works. Healing isn't just physical. I had to unlearn so much hate I built up around my skin. Now I do mirror work, I speak to myself gently. Even if I am breaking out, I say, you are still enough, you are still beautiful, your skin hears everything you say. I started drinking more water, cutting back on dairy and processed food. I also added juices, collagen, things that support my gut and my skin. But it wasn't just food, it was how I fed my confidence. I follow creators who look like me. I stopped obsessing over filters. I give myself permission to be seen. Remember, healing came from the inside physically and emotionally. But if you're in that place where your skin is holding you back, I see you. You don't need a perfect skin to start healing. You don't need a new face to feel like yourself again. Start with a little less noise, a little more gentleness. A little more believe that your glow is already there. It's just been buried under shame. You are not alone. You have never been. If this video made you feel seen, please like and comment. Let me know where you are in your healing journey. Are you still in the damage phase? Are you rebuilding? I want to hear from you. And if you are ready for simple, barrier-safe routines, emotional support, and content that doesn't shame your skin, subscribe and join Skin Reset. We are healing, glowing, and growing together. I read every comment and I want this space to